Hello students, I am Lalita as Humraskar, economics teacher, BYK College of Commerce. Welcome you in online lecture series organized by BYK College of Commerce Nasik for class 11. Today I am going to discuss with you chapter number 3, that is partition values. And today's contents are: number 1 is calculation of deciles from individual data, number 2 calculation of deciles from discrete data, and number 3 calculation of deciles from continuous data. All of you know decile is that partition value which divides the series into 10 equal parts, right? So there are 9 points D1, D2 up to D9 where D5 gives the value of median. So how to calculate deciles from individual data, how to calculate deciles from discrete data, and how to calculate deciles from continuous data, that I am going to discuss with you. Let us see first one, calculation of deciles from individual data. And here example is given. You have to calculate D4 and D8 for the following data. And here individual series is given here. And here numbers are 10, 15, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 11, 9. Okay, what is your first step now? You have to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, so as per ascending order, first number should be 7, after that 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So what is the total observations in the series? That is denoted by small n. So n is equal to here 9, right here. So first you have to find out D4. So which formula you have to apply for D4? D4 is equal to size of 4 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, D4 is equal to size of 4 into bracket, what is n? N means total observation in the series, and n is equal to 9. So 9 plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, D4 is equal to size of 4 into bracket 10 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, D4 is equal to size of 4 into 1 bracket close th observation. In the next step, D4 is equal to size of fourth observation. So how to find out size of fourth observation? Go to the ascending order series here. So what is a fourth observation in an ascending order series? That is number 10. Okay, that is a 10. Okay, so D4 is equal to what here? 10. Now next you have to find out D8 here. How to calculate D8? Let us see which formula you have to apply now. D8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, D8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket n is what here? Total observation in the series, that is 9. So 9 plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, D8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket 10 upon 10 bracket close th observation. So D8 is equal to size of 8th observation. So what is the size of 8th observation in an arranged series here? That is D8 is equal to 14. So D8 is equal to 14 and D4 is equal to here 10. This is how to calculate deciles from individual data. Now let us see the next very different example, how to calculate deciles from individual data. Let us see here, series is given here. 14, 13, 12, 11, 15, 16, 18, 17, 19, 20. So what is your first step? You have to arrange the data in an ascending order right here. So for as per ascending order, what is the first number here? 11, after that 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and finally 20. What is the small n? And small n stands here total observations in the series. So n is equal to 10. First you have to find out what you have to find out. As per the instruction, d8 you have to find out, 8 decile that you have to find out. So d8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket 10 plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket 11 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d8 is equal to size of into bracket 8 into 1.1 bracket close th observation. So d8 is equal to what? Size of 8.8th observation. So how to find out size of 8.8th observation? For that you have to apply the next formula. So d8 is equal to, you have to take the size of 8th observation first plus 0.8 that you have to take of fraction number 8.8 into bracket 9th observation you have to take minus 8th observation bracket close. In the next step, d8 is equal to size of 8th observation means 18 plus 0.8 into bracket what is a 9th observation 19 and minus 8th observation means 18 bracket close. So what we get, d8 is equal to 18 plus 0.8, that is d8 is equal to 18.8. So what is the value of d8? d8 is equal to 18.8. This is how to calculate deciles from individual data in case of fraction number. Now let us see how to calculate deciles from discrete data. Here example is given. You have to find out d2 and d4 for the following data. And in first row they given marks and in second row they given number of student, that is frequency. So what is the variable here? Marks of the students. Okay. For now let us see how to find out d2 and d4. First you have to arrange the data in vertical form, that is in ascending order, so it is easy to understand. Okay, now in first column marks 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 as per ascending order. In second column number of student, that is known as a frequency 5, 6, 4, 5, 10, 9. What is the total frequency here? 39, that is denoted by small letter n here. Now what is your next step? You have to create one more column, that is known as a cumulative frequency or CF less than type. So how to find out cumulative frequency less than type? So first number of frequency write as it is there. So 5 plus 6 how much? 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 10 30. 30 plus 9 39. Okay, and what is total frequency? That is denoted by small n, that is 39. And what you have to find out now? d2. First you have to find out d2. So what is the formula here? d2 is equal to size of 2 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d2 is equal to size of 2 into bracket 39 plus 1 divided by 10 bracket close th observation. Okay. Next step is d2 is equal to size of 2 into bracket 40 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, size of 2 into 4 bracket close th observation, size of 8th observation. Now how to find out size of 8th observation for d2? For that you have to go to the cumulative frequency column where 8 number comes. 8 number comes lies in the cumulative frequency is equal to 11 with corresponding value of x is equal to 20. So d2 is equal to 20 marks right here. Now next one you have to calculate d4. Okay, let us see how to calculate d4. What is the formula? d4 is equal to size of 4 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d4 is equal to size of 4. What is n? That is total frequency 39 plus 1 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d4 is equal to size of 4 into bracket 40 upon 10 bracket close, th observation. So d4 is equal to size of 4 into 4 bracket close, th observation. So d4 is equal to size of 16th observation. So how to find out size of 16th observation? For that you have to go to the cumulative frequency column. So where 16 number comes, so 16 number lies in the cumulative frequency is equal to 20 with corresponding value of x is equal to 40 right here. So d4 is what here? D4 is equal to 40 marks. So d2 is equal to 20 and d4 is equal to 40. This is how to calculate deciles from discrete data. Now let us see next one, how to calculate deciles from continuous data. Continuous data is also known as group data right here. Okay, so you have to find out deciles from continuous data or group data. Here example is given. You have to find out D5 and D7 for the following data of marks of 100 students in a class test. And here example is given in first row, marks of the students given, and they are in the form of groups. Okay, they are also known as class intervals. And in second row, the given number of students, that is frequency. So now what is your first step? You have to arrange the data in ascending form. Okay, so in first column, marks of the student 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. In the second column, number of student, that is frequency 10, 10, 40, 20, 20. And what is the total frequency? Total frequency is denoted by small letter n. So n is equal to 100. Now after that you have to create third column, that is known as a cumulative frequency. How to find out cumulative frequency? This is known as a less than type cumulative frequency. First number 10, write as it is. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 40, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 20, 100. Okay, now first what you have to find out? You have to find out what you have to calculate what d5. Okay, do not directly find out d5. Okay, for that you have to find out decile class for d5. Okay, so how to find out decile class for, how to determine the decile class for d5? For that you have to write the formula. d5 is equal to size of into bracket 5 into n. Okay, upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d5 is equal to size of into bracket 5 into 100 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d5 is equal to size of 500 upon 10 bracket close th observation. In the next step, d5 is equal to size of 50th observation. So how to find out size of 50th observation? For that you have to go to the cumulative frequency column. So where 50 number comes, so 50 number lies in the cumulative frequency is equal to 60 with corresponding class interval as 20 to 30. So decile class for d5 is 20 to 30 right here. Now you have to find out next one, L stands here lower limit of that decile class, that is 20. Frequency of decile class is 40. Cumulative frequency, which cumulative frequency you have to take? You have to take cumulative frequency not of decile class, but you have to take preceding cumulative frequency. Okay, that is CF is equal to 20. So N is equal to here 100 total frequency, and H stands here your class size, that is 10. Now apply the formula for D5. D5 is equal to L plus into bracket 5 into N upon 10 minus CF cumulative frequency divided by F frequency bracket close into H. H means class size. Now fill up the values for D5. D5 is equal to lower limit is 20 plus into bracket 5 into 100 divided by 10 minus 20 divided by 40 bracket close into 10. In the next step, d5 is equal to 20 plus into bracket 500 upon 10 minus 20 divided by 40 bracket close into 10. In the next step, d5 is equal to 20 plus into bracket 50 minus 20 divided by 40 bracket close into 10. In the next step, d5 is equal to 20 plus into bracket 30 upon 40 bracket close into 10. So in the next step, d5 is equal to 20 plus 300 upon 40. In the next step, d5 is equal to 20 plus 7.5. So finally, d5 is equal to 27.5 marks. That is a final answer of d5, that is 27.5 marks. Okay, understood how to calculate d5 from the group data? Yes. Now let us see, after that you have to find out calculation, you have to find out a d7, that is seventh decile. So before finding out d7, you have to determine the decile class for D7. How to determine the decile class for D7? For that you have to apply the formula. D7 is equal to size of into bracket 7 into n upon 10 bracket close nth observation. So in the next step, D7 is equal to size of 7 into 100. N is total frequency, that is 100 divided by 10 bracket close nth observation. In the next step, d7 is equal to size of into bracket 700 upon 10 bracket close nth observation right here. So d7 is equal to size of 70th observation. So how to find out size of 70th observation? For that, you have to go to the cumulative frequencies. 70 number, where 70 number comes, 70 number lies in the cumulative frequency is equal to 80 with corresponding value of a class interval is 30 to 40. So what is the decile class? What is a decile class for D7? That is 30 to 40. Understood? Now you have to find out lower limit of that decile class, that is L is equal to 30, frequency is equal to 20. Cumulative, take cumulative frequency of preceding class. Okay, that is 60. N is equal to total frequency 100 and H stands here class size, that is 10. Now write the final formula for d7, that is d7 is equal to L plus into bracket 7 into n upon 10 minus cf divided by f bracket close into h. In the next step, d7 is equal to 30. Lower limit of decile class is what here? 30 plus into bracket 7 into 100 upon 10 minus 60 divided by 20 bracket close into 10. In the next step, d7 is equal to 30 plus into bracket 700 upon 10 minus 60 divided by 20 bracket close into 10. In the next step, d7 is equal to 30 plus 70 minus 60 upon 20 bracket close into 10. In the next step, d7 is equal to 30 plus into bracket 10 upon 20 bracket close into 10, right? So in the next step, d7 is equal to 30 plus into bracket 100 upon 20. So what is the final answer? 30 plus 5. So d7 is equal to 35 marks right here. So d5 is equal to 27 marks and d7 is equal to 35 marks. This is how to calculate deciles from continuous data or group data. Okay, so what I discussed with you students today, how to calculate deciles from individual data, how to calculate deciles from discrete data, and how to calculate deciles from continuous data, or you can say group data. Students, solve more and more solved examples given in your textbook, and whatever examples given in the exercise, solve those examples also. And finally, thank you for listening my video lecture.